What is up, YouTube? Jeep and Bubba here, and today, well, I'm installing Combat Off-Road off the turnbuckle hood latches. I've got a Jeep JL, but guess what? These latches fit a JK or a Gladiator as well, and they're really nice. Jackson was so kind to have already installed a set, and they're right here. So, billet machining, all stainless hardware, hard coat anodized, nice. Gets rid of the hood flutter. Now, if you got a JL, you may not have too much hood flutter, but this will look a lot different and a lot cooler than what the rest of your friends have on their JL and JTs. Now, if you've got a JK, you definitely have hood flutter if you've got those stock weak latches, and this is your solution right here. This is a high quality product and doesn't take much to install it. Here's the instructions. They are nice and easy, and there's your tools list right there. 13mm wrenches, a 10 and 13mm socket, some hex keys, and a ratchet. One little top tip for you: if you got a JL, while you're installing this, hold on to your nuts on the back, because Jackson lost one of my nuts down that hood and we had to get a magnet to retrieve it. So hold on to those. Look at there. Beautimous. I'm gonna have to clean that. And there's your, faded Jeep JL. I love these when I first got them, but look, they're kind of just plastic and faded, and yeah, time to replace. All right, there's your factory nuts, and as you can see, if you lose your grip on one, it's going down that hood. Don't worry, if you do that, you can grab a magnet and retrieve it, but it's not fun. You're gonna remove those two. Everything bolts in the OE hardware spot, so you can just remove this one right here as well. All right, I'm using a ratcheting wrench, but you guys get the idea. Remove them. Pretty easy, break them loose with just a wrench too. Don't lose it, Jackson.
Don't lose it.
It's gonna lose it. Got it. Boom. I'll post them for 100 somewhere else. Let her eat. 13 right there. And you can use a socket and ratchet. We're just using ratcheting wrench. Alright, just gotta take this old pin out right here. That way you can fit your bolt in right there. Alright, Jackson says when you take this out, that little spacer needs to stay there and that small washer comes out. Alright, Jackson's installing the bolt here using a 5 hex. It's got a 13 on the back side. There's a washer and a nut there. Just snug her down. You can choose to really clean this up if you want to. We left it a little roadkill, so don't worry about it. Alright, I got 2 bolts going through this billet machine piece right here with a nice rubber piece to save your paint. And you just slide her through the OEM holes. And put your little washer and a nut on there. Again, you're going to use an Allen on the outside, wrench on the inside. Pretty easy. Alright, now put your turnbuckle back in, tighten her up. Easy peasy. Alright, with these two loose, you can turn this and set your tension. We got it where we wanted. This is a 13, these are also 13s. So hold this in the middle and then tighten up these 2 nuts, and bada bing bada boom, you are done. Pretty easy stuff right there. Looks great. Quick easy install because Jackson did it. And yeah, that's just about it. If you want to learn more about this product, I'm going to put a link down there in the description to blackbearoffroad.com where you can buy these bad boys, or if you have even more questions, you can direct it to combat4x4.com. Thanks for watching. Eat your prunes. I'm Jeep and Bubba. We'll be seeing you.